Today marks another milestone in RUPES history.
The new BigFoot iBrid has been completely re-engineered from the ground up to provide optimal performance.
The new BigFoot iBrid polishers raise the bar even further, providing more power and less weight, while maintaining everything that you have come to love about the RUPES system.
Hi, and what did you guys think?
That buffer is super smooth, light. I love it. We're going to be getting a few. We have 6 of another brand, and we'll be upgrading.
Very light, very smooth.
I love it.
One hand, easy.
And very balanced.
The balance, it's super balanced. It's very lightweight too. I only got up to 3.5, and this thing has a lot of power. It's amazing. I love it. Can I take this home with me now? Where are these guys at? Hey, I'm taking this with me.
Honestly, this thing is light compared to the competition. I'm just gonna throw whatever I have in the garage, pick this up instead. Take my wallet.
I love it.
Nice. Smooth, it's nice. Runs really well. It's very quiet.
Yeah, it feels really good. It's nice and lightweight, quiet. I mean, it's smooth for sure. I like it.
What are your thoughts, man?
Yeah, this thing's awesome. Really, really nice. Super smooth, super quiet.
I like the torque.
Really balanced.
If I'm doing it, don't turn it on.
Yeah. I mean, it's so universal just to be able to like bring this out.
It's the convenience. You can just grab it, hit a car, smell something, and just put it back. You don't have to
Yeah, really good for like even just like test spots. We get a lot of customers that come in, hey, what would it look like if you polish this area? You don't have to run the cord out, just grab the cord of this machine. So this is awesome.
Those who have had a chance to feel the power of the all-new BigFoot iBrid absolutely love the experience.